Make some cool cash in the year 2023 with CPA marketing, even as a beginner, just by following this simple step which I'm going to show you right here in today's video. So first of all guys, you want to head onto this platform right here which is called the freeplrdownloads.com, where you can actually go on to downloading a free PLR right here, and you can actually go on to downloading a free PLR which you could go on to reselling. You go on to using that particular ebook right there for any purpose of your choice. Right now, as you can see, you do get free PLRs on this platform on any of these niches right here. The niches are quite numerous right here, which you could just simply go on to focusing on. You can see the niches on internet marketing, on outdoor, on outsourcing, photography, Pinterest, and a lot more niches right here that are actually quite numerous right now. So get an PLR for any niche of your choice and do go on to downloading that particular PLR right now. Supposing I do click on this PLR right here, I'm just going to click on that right now. If I do click on this PLR, I'll be brought to this page where I can just simply scroll through to this bottom section, and I can just simply see this download icon right now. If I click on this download icon, I will be downloading this particular PLR on my device by clicking on that, and I can then just simply head on to this platform right here which is called the drive.google.com to go on to uploading that particular ebook right here. So if I do head on to Google Drive right now guys, I can actually upload that ebook and get a link to that particular ebook, which I can then just simply go on to utilizing that particular link in my CPA marketing content locker or URL file locker right now. So if I do use Cpagrip right here, if you don't have an account, click on this register icon. You should be brought to this page right here. Go on to filling out this form appropriately to go on to getting your account created on this platform. Agree to the terms of services right here by just simply checking out these boxes. Click on register now and go on to getting your account created almost immediately. For you to do that guys, publisher section, make sure you do select the websites as Incent or the GPT, and if you do that guys, your account should be created almost immediately right there, or get approved almost immediately, which if you then go on to logging into your account, you want to just simply come on to this monetization tool section, click on URL file lockers, and if you do that right here guys, you can then just simply go to clicking on create URL file lockers, read through the terms of services, agree to that right here and click on continue. Once you do that right now guys, you should be brought to this page right here where you could just simply go into editing your URL file locker. Go to the template section, you'll be able to see numerous templates which you could take advantage of right now, and supposing I do want to just simply use this file download template right here, I'm just going to go on to the general section and give this particular locker a name. If I do name this locker right now, for this section which says name, I'm just going to put in the name for that particular ebook which I'm promoting right here, and I'm just going to go on to maybe copy the name right there from this particular platform which is called the freeplrdownloads.com, and I'm just going to copy this, which is the wellness or the quick wellness. And if I actually do head back to my content locker or URL file locker, I'm just going to type in that right here. So once that has actually been changed, I'm going to go to editing the size, editing the uploaded date, and actually the last downloaded date. You want to make sure that the last downloaded date is actually today's date right now. If you do fix in that, this section which says locked URL, you want to just simply paste in the link to that particular ebook which you did upload on this particular platform called the Google Drive, and you can actually do get that. Maybe supposing this is a particular platform, you want to just simply click on these three dots right here, click on share, and go on to copying the link to that particular content right there. Or in copying the link guys, you want to go simply click on share again, and this pop-up will actually be brought up. And when that pop-up comes up, you want to make sure that this general access section actually shows anyone with link right here. And if you do that, once that is done, click on copy link and actually do go to clicking on done. You can then just simply go on to putting or inserting that particular link in your URL file locker right here. And once that link has actually been inserted such as this, you can then just simply go on to clicking on save, and your URL file locker right here will be created right now. So once that is done, click on get link right here, copy the link to your URL file locker and try as much as possible to get traffic to that. And how do you get traffic to that? You just to simply head on to platforms like YouTube. And if you do head on to platforms like YouTube, supposing I do go onto YouTube and search for the URL file locker, or I do head on to YouTube and search for that particular kind of niche right now, which is the quick wellness. So if I do go on to searching for quick wellness right here, guys, I will be able to see a lot of videos right here on YouTube related to this particular niche right now. You can see these are actually a lot of videos right here which you could take advantage of right now related to this particular niche. And supposing I do want to just simply come right here, I'm going to go on to clicking on this filter right now. And I'm also going to come right here, select these features right here, which is the Creative Commons. The Creative Commons actually indicates that you can go on to repurposing that particular video or using that exact same video, reposting it, and actually using that to make money right there, because you are actually permitted to do that with Creative Commons videos right now. And you can see a lot of Creative Commons videos which you could go on to using right here. If you do get a very cool video right now which you can actually take advantage of, you want to just simply go on to downloading that particular video on your device. How do you download this video on your device? You want to just simply right click on the video, copy the video link address, and actually do head on to platforms right there like Google and actually search for the YouTube video downloader. If you do search for YouTube video downloader, you'll be able to see a lot of sites right here which you can go on to using to download a YouTube video. When I click on this first site, which is the ssyoutube.com, I can actually do come right here, and I'm just going to come right here to paste in the link to that particular video right there. Once I paste in that link, it's going to analyze the video, and you can see that this is the exact same video, which I can then just simply go to downloading the video on my device and go on to using that same video right here on YouTube. So if I do get that particular video downloaded, I'm just going to head on to YouTube and go on to clicking on this create section, go on to uploading that particular video on YouTube back, and actually use that video to promote my CPA URL file locker. And in promoting that, guys, make sure that the link to this particular URL file locker is in the description of that video. And to actually get that video ranked and actually reach out to a lot of audience, you could add in cool and amazing tags which you can actually get from this platform right here, which is called the rapidtags.io. You could actually get cool tags that can help that particular video go on to ranking right there and reaching out to a lot of audience right there. So if you successfully do that, guys, you could then just simply go on to promoting that particular video on YouTube also. And in doing so, when people do watch that particular video and maybe go to the description of that video, they are going to see your link right there, which you are directing them to, telling them that that link is actually for a free ebook right there. And if you do that right now, guys, you can then just simply go on to promoting that particular CpaMarketing offer or CPA content locker. And for as many people that are interested in getting that PLR, you complete that particular offer for them to gain access to that PLR right there, which is locked. And if they do so, you start making money with CpaMarketing. Another thing which you could also do is to head on to this platform called canva.com and actually do go on to maybe editing that particular video by adding a simple call to action on text right there, just like I did right here for this video. You can see I actually told them a giveaway link in the description of this video right here using a simple text, and this particular text is actually going to last to the entire video right there. So you could do exactly similar thing for that kind of video, telling them that the link to a free ebook right there is in the description of the video, and go on to uploading that right here on YouTube. And if you successfully upload that on YouTube, but many people that could go on to watching that exact same video, you're actually going to be driving a lot of traffic to your CPA URL file locker doing so, and you can actually start making money right now. And guys, this is an amazing strategy which you could take advantage of right now, even as a beginner. And I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, do smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bells are turned on all. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.